Hey, Christmas came early this year from Martine. I got a package. My second CD, man. 9 original songs. We got Stephanie Boehme on the drums, Jason Vaughn on percussion, and we even got Ogden legend Danny Weldon playing lead guitar on one of the tracks. Yes! Get a hold of me either through Facebook, my website, markdgtr.com, or any other way. If you see me on the street, say, hey, Mark, I want a CD. How much are they? Can I have one? Yay, whoa, yo. Check it out, man. Sit back, buckle up, enjoy. Here comes out of the blind side another thing to bring us down. Don't you think we need some light?